Carroll is a 3.4-acre, 1.4 hectare, artificial island and abandoned hexagonal sea fort in the middle of the Patapsco River, just south of Baltimore, Maryland. It is named for Charles Carroll of Carrollton, 1737 to 1832, a signer of the Declaration of Independence. Fort Carroll was actually designed by then-Colonel Robert E. Lee. Construction of Fort Carroll commenced in 1848, but the fort was only half built at the start of the Civil War and never completed. In the late 1890s, concrete gun emplacements were added to the old masonry structure at Fort Carroll as part of the Endicott fortification plan. But much of the Endicott-era construction at Fort Carroll was never fully completed or properly armed. Given the existence of more advanced coastal fortifications nearby, Fort Carroll became less useful and therefore a lower priority. In 1853, a lighthouse was built on the ramparts to aid navigation into Baltimore Harbor. In 1898, a new lighthouse was built, which still stands today. It discontinued operations sometime before 1945. The Army officially abandoned Fort Carroll in 1921 and declared the island excess property in 1923. They did not sell the land until 1950 to a private developer. I believe it is still in private hands today.